What is going on, guys? Lycos here from another video on Need for Speed Heat. I'm gonna be customizing this 240, so hope you guys like the video. I might be making some more videos on each and every single car. It's gonna be a long series, but this new game's gonna be coming out November 8th. I'm definitely gonna have to go out and buy it because this game just looks amazing. Customizations on each vehicle are out of the book. Like, it's been a while since I've seen a racing game like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be making some more videos on this game, on the application. It's up for download now. I think it's around 200 megabytes, and then the car pass for all 10 crates. It's around, I would say, 28 different cars or even more. So I decided to pick out the first one. Next one might be the F2000. So hope you guys like the rest of the video.